more than ever before, CFOs need to be ready, not only for change, but they need to be able to foresee the change. And this is where SAP Analytics Cloud plays a key role. AI has revolutionized the planning process, but especially XP&A, Extended Planning and Analysis. XP&A extends the financial planning and analysis process across all departments and organizations, so that HR, supply chain, and sales are in lockstep with finance to drive organizational performance. It unifies key stakeholders to identify improvement opportunities, to align the organization, and to prepare all departments for change. Now, AI has improved efficiencies and reduces costs by automating tasks such as invoice matching or compliance verification, as well as improved accuracy of the critical financial information. But most importantly, because it isn't bound to one company's data, it can also leverage external insights, such as inflation, GDP, or other industry-specific KPIs, to provide greater insights that otherwise would stay hidden. And companies are seeing results. Now, talking about planning and making the right decisions, having all the information at the right time in the right place, there's one area that is probably most important to many of us in this room. This is healthcare. Siemens Healthineers is a leading global medical technology company pioneering breakthroughs in this critical area whilst keeping the impact on the planet to a minimum. They chose SAP during a time of change to set them up for success. But to tell us more, please welcome Siemens Healthineers Head of SAP Innovation, Integration, and Planning, Veronica de la Peña.
Thank you, Elena. Good morning, everyone. Buenos dias. Siemens Healthineers is a company with more than 71,000 colleagues in over 70 countries, passionately pushing the boundaries of what is possible in healthcare to improve the lives of people around the world. More than 90% of the leading hospitals have chosen to give us their trust and work with us. After our IPO in 2018, becoming a standalone publicly listed Eurostoxx company, we faced enormous challenges. One of the topics was that we needed to enhance our IT landscape in order to take over functions from our parent company, Siemens AG. It became more and more clear that we need to simplify and modernize the way how we gather, process, and use our data. A key part of that new path was the implementation of SAP Analytics Cloud. Additionally, we are now migrating our SAP system landscape to RISE. As you can see, we had a lot of work to do, but the benefits came and the hard work paid off because we could simplify complex historical solutions and allow our users to access data in real time without disturbing our main production systems. Time from reporting went from hours to seconds. Age of data went from days or weeks to 1 hour for processing, or even better, real time for ready-to-use data. Secondly, we now have a very new and precise forecasting process for all countries with a fast and simple reporting. The countries are able to expand the planning capabilities on their own using SAP Analytics Cloud without having IT support and also being able to use the central data pool. As a next step, we are looking forward to transfer our on-prem BW4HANA solutions to DataSphere with the aim of leverage even more of SAP Analytics Cloud to be able to connect to different source systems. Our collaboration with SAP gives us a strong platform upon which we can continue to build, helping us to overcome the world's most threatening diseases, enable efficient operations, and expand access to care. Thank you.
Thank you, Veronica. It's great to see how companies like Siemens Healthineers are turning this vision into reality, and that SAP solutions are making this possible. Now, as Christian mentioned before, another focus area for the CFO is spend management. The ever-growing complexities of a modern enterprise requires not only a unified view across all your spend data, but also actionable insights. AI-powered SAP spend management solutions bring order to chaos. With 1,400 customers across the world who are already using our AI-powered features in the advanced user experience, such as SAP Ariba Buying and SAP Ariba Sourcing. Companies like Hilti Corporations have managed to handle a 6-fold increase in product compliance and sustainability questionnaires, whilst decreasing their resources. Isn't that a success story? And most recently, SAP Category Management, which is leveraging generative AI with external market data to instantly create parts of your category strategy, taking a process that can take days or weeks down to one click. And we're not finished. We're bringing to market the SAP Spend Control Tower, a holistic view across all of your spend data with AI-powered enrichment and harmonization to turn your raw data into actionable insights. Native integration into S/4 means rapid time to value. To do both, decrease your costs and decrease your supply chain risks. Integration into SAP DataSphere, which is coming out later this year, makes this a natural fit into your data landscape. So this clean, consolidated spend data is the foundation for optimal AI performance across your entire spend cycle. Now, for example, let's say you're a consumer products company that is leveraging SAP Spend Control Tower together with the entire SAP Ariba suite. Enriched, pre-filtered data automatically populates category management, where GenAI kickstarts your category strategy. SAP Business AI surfaces category-specific opportunities directly in category management, so users can leverage those insights to create a sourcing event using Joule without ever having to leave the category management UI. So in summary, with SAP Business AI and solutions like SAP Ariba Sourcing and SAP Ariba Control Management, you not only have visibility onto your entire spend, but also recommendations to bring your business outcomes to life. Now let me introduce another AI-powered offering, SAP Taulia. Did you know that over $44 trillion are tied up in supply chains across the world? SAP Taulia helps companies access the cash and get the liquidity they need to improve working capital. Now, that's music to CFOs' ears. Applied Materials is a global semiconductor leader in materials engineering with a complex network of over 6,000 suppliers. When they grew rapidly, they needed their ecosystem to grow with them. So they turned to SAP Taulia.